Say goodbye to the hassle of back and forth emails or phone calls to find a suitable time slot. Creating a booking page funnel empowers you to take control of your schedule, offering clients and colleagues the convenience of self-service appointment scheduling. With just a few clicks, they can view your real-time availability and choose a time that suits them best, drastically reducing the coordination efforts on your end. But the advantages don't stop there. By harnessing the power of a funnel-driven approach, the booking page not only simplifies the booking process, but also optimizes it for conversion. Guiding visitors through a user-friendly journey, it ensures a higher rate of successful bookings while minimizing abandoned appointments. The third step in this process is creating your booking funnel. This is where you can create a page and pull in the team calendar you already created for clients to book appointments with. Under Sites, you'll find Funnels. Here you can create a new funnel. You can start off by clicking New Funnel in the top right. Then you can select from blank or from a template. Here we'll start from blank, and you'll name your funnel. Once you've named your funnel, you can go ahead and select Add New Step. You'll then want to name the page and then fill in the path. Next, you can choose to use existing or create from blank. We're going to start from a blank page. This is what you'll be starting off with when choosing a blank page. First, we can go in and add a full width section. If you want to add your logo at the top, after you have added your section, you can choose Add Element in the center and then select Image. On the right sidebar under Image Options, you can click the Gallery button to choose an image to upload. After you have uploaded your logo, you can adjust the size under Image Options as well. Next, we'll add another section, this time wide and with 2 columns. Let's say you wanted to add a headshot of the person hosting the consultations on the left. You'll click to add in the image element. On the right, we'll add a headline and a paragraph to give a description of the consultation and who they are meeting with. If we add another section below this, we can add in the actual calendar. Choose Add Element. On the left, we can choose Calendar. This will then give you the option to pull in any of the calendars you've created. Here we'll choose our example. This is the calendar once it is added in. This allows clients to pick from the available times and the days. Creating an appointment booking funnel allows clients 24/7 accessibility to book appointments with you, reduces scheduling conflicts, and allows you to focus on what truly matters, given that clients will choose their own dates and times. For more information and details about how to customize your funnel page, check out our lesson on editing funnel sites. On the bottom left, under Button Actions, you can navigate through different options. You can choose different redirect actions, so a thank you page, a custom message, or the action chosen when building this calendar. When creating a thank you page, you can add in custom values related to the appointment like start date, time, and add to calendar buttons for the contact. On the top, you have other settings within this funnel. And on the top right, you can preview what your page will look like to your clients as well as save. Lastly, make sure to connect the domain of your choice to your funnel to make your page live and start sending contacts to book. So experience the freedom of simplified scheduling, reduced administrative tasks, and a more personalized approach to client management. With 24/7 accessibility, automated reminders, and a professional touch, a booking page takes your business to the next level.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.